got me big time. Yes, you did. How did you get to be so cute, huh? How did you? How did you get to be so cute? Hi, sweet. Hey, sweet. Yes, you're my favorite cow. You're my favorite cow. Yes, you are. She is, boys and girls. Yes, you're my favorite cow on the farm right now. She's a mooer. Yes, she loves to moo. Come on, moo. Moo. You like that moo? That's your sound. That's your sound, not mine. That's her sound. I've never seen one like this white one here with the spots on it.
Isn't that fun?
Oh, that is a beautiful chicken. And what's his name? What's her name?
Stevie Chicks.
Stevie Chicks. Oh my gosh, Stevie Chicks. You're beautiful. Chicken in the world.
They are. Aren't they so cute?
Oh my goodness, look at these two chickens.
These little ladies are actually part of our chicken club, which is what kids come and learn a little bit about chickens. And they can, hi, pretty girl.
Yeah, hi, pretty girl.
They're like chihuahuas. They kind of
Oh
like
my
strong.
Goodness. Look at you two.
Aren't they so cute?
Oh, the smallest chickens in the world. Yes. Oh, that is the cutest. Game. Really small little breed of hen. Goodness, there's all kinds of different types of chickens, huh?